Imagine you're sitting on a park bench, sipping your morning coffee. A friend walks up and asks you, "Hey, have you heard of Raiz?" You nod, intrigued. They continue, "I'm thinking about investing in it. Do you know if it's a managed investment fund?" This is a question that many people have asked. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into Raiz and answer the question, is it a managed investment fund? What is a managed investment fund? Before we get to Raiz, let's quickly define what a managed investment fund is. Essentially, it's a pool of money that's professionally managed by a team of experts. These experts invest the money in various assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. The goal is to generate returns for the investors. Managed investment funds come in different types, such as mutual funds, hedge funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Each type has its own unique characteristics and investment strategies. Now, let's talk about Raiz. It's a popular micro-investing app that allows you to invest small amounts of money regularly. You can connect your bank account to Raiz and set up automatic investments. Raiz then invests your money in a diversified portfolio of ETFs. So, is Raiz a managed investment fund? Technically, no. While Raiz does invest your money in ETFs, it doesn't have a team of professional managers actively making investment decisions. The role of ETFs. The ETFs that Raiz invests in are managed by professional investment teams. However, these ETFs are designed to track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. This means that the ETF's performance is largely determined by the performance of the underlying index. Raiz's role is to provide a convenient and accessible way for people to invest in these ETFs. The app takes care of the administrative tasks, such as setting up the investments and rebalancing the portfolio. The benefits of Raiz. One of the main benefits of Raiz is its simplicity. It's easy to set up and use, even for people who are new to investing. The app also offers a variety of investment options, including different risk levels. Another benefit of Raiz is its affordability. The app charges a low fee, making it accessible to people with small budgets. So, to answer the original question, is Raiz a managed investment fund? The answer is no. However, Raiz does invest your money in ETFs that are managed by professional investment teams. Raiz is a great option for people who want to start investing with small amounts of money. It's simple, affordable, and offers a variety of investment options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.